Hi, guys, and welcome to the 21metrics update. Let's have a quick wrap up what has been happening during the past 24 hours. And as you know, Bitcoin reached the price level of 75,000 USD during the early European trading hours, and that's a new all-time high for Bitcoin, and that's pretty epic. Uh, and you could say that one of the main factors like behind Bitcoin's price hike was obviously Trump's victory in the U.S. election. And as we talked with Parsival Song last week, um, investors have been trying to price in Trump's potential victory, and like also people have been trying to front run the election. So Trump has been able to profile himself as the crypto friendly candidate, and I'm sure he will be. And while Kamala Harris hasn't been that successful in like luring crypto and Bitcoin in investors. So now we are perceiving that Trump's victory will be positive for Bitcoin and the industry as a whole. And we also saw this Omega candle. This term has been coined by Samson Mao before, and usually this Omega candle stems from supply shock. So when you have a lot of investors buying Bitcoin at the same time, and the supply is limited, as Bitcoin is a scarce asset, then you have this supply shock, which escalates the price action and uplifts Bitcoin a lot. And we have to remember that um, quite large part of Bitcoin supply is actually consists of lost coins. Um, during its history, quite many Bitcoins have been lost, and when the theoretical um, supply is 21 million units, it will never actually reach that figure because of the all lost coins. And as we talked with Song last week, we are seeing this institutional demand growing in form of MicroStrategy and MetaPlanet, for example, are buying a lot, and they are also acting as leading indicators to Bitcoin. So when you see how MSTR accumulates and how MetaPlanet accumulates constantly, um, you can see them as leading indicators to the price, and now we are seeing the spot price actually following the institutional buying pressure and the balance sheets of these companies. And here we can see, as we talked last week about this resistance level at 70k, Bitcoin since penetrated that level, and now eventually reached 75,000 USD, and um, we are now seeing buying pressure from most investor segments, retail and wealth alike. So that's a very positive sign. And um, what is going on currently? You'd like explain the recent price action by reflexivity, and it's a theory by George Soros originally, and Bitcoin can be considered as a reflexive asset, and Bitcoin creates these feedback loops, as we can see here. This loop we have like perception, fundamentals, and price, which each element is actually escalating the rotation of this cycle. And obviously the feedback loop can also be negative, as we have seen during 2022, for example. Then Bitcoin's price will fall a lot. But now we are in this positive trend, and we are seeing positive feedback loop. So all these elements will actually kind of feed this trend, and that makes it strong, and it will kind of escalate by all of these elements at the same time. And also if you think about reflexivity, you can think about Zhu's famous super cycle thesis, and he stated that he's seeing that we are moving to see this super cycle, which will uh, elevate Bitcoin's price a lot. So it's also close to this uh, reflexivity theory. Then, when we look at Bitcoin's power law, this is actually a new chart on our platform. Um, we can see that this power law fit this violet indicator is now at 80K, and uh, while the price is now at like 73, that would represent like reasonable price target for Bitcoin. So if we believe in this power law and follow it, then we could see Bitcoin easily reaching 80K or above it, 90, or even reaching six figures. So we are not really not far from six figures. And personally, I think that 100K is the true psychological retail level, which creates the eventual uh, fear of missing out, because it's about like the basic number is like six figures looks larger than five. So then they see that, oh my god, like Bitcoin has gone up a lot, and that will be like the critical uh, psychological level eventually. And I think we are going towards six figures. We could even reach that this quarter during Q4, and that is also supported by Bitcoin's seasonality. So Q4 has historically been a very positive season for Bitcoin, and I think it will likely continue. And yeah, it's not like if you think about the 75K, Bitcoin, if Bitcoin goes up like 30%, then we are in six figures. So it's very interesting, um, and I think it's possible truly. Also, if you look at stock to flow, which is also our new chart, it also now points towards higher valuation levels. So these two models, power law, logarithmic, and stock to flow, both support Bitcoin moving into six figures. So I'll be surely following that in November and December. I think that's it. That's our wrap up. for now. And don't forget to check our partners, Quarnex and SideShift.ai. Enjoy your week.